Learn how to make a perfectly moist blueberry coffee cake from scratch. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you my favorite recipe for blueberry coffee cake. If you're a fan of blueberries and love a good coffee cake, then you're in for a treat. This recipe is super easy to follow, and the result is a deliciously moist and flavorful cake that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 2 large eggs, 1 cup sour cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1½ cups fresh blueberries, 1/2 cup chopped walnuts, powdered sugar, optional. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch square baking dish with cooking spray or butter. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Add the softened butter and mix until the mixture becomes crumbly. Add the eggs, sour cream, and vanilla extract, and mix until everything is well combined. Gently fold in the blueberries and chopped walnuts. Pour the batter into the greased baking dish, and smooth out the top with a spatula. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Let the cake cool down for a few minutes before slicing and serving. If desired, sprinkle some powdered sugar over the top for a beautiful finish. And there you have it, guys. A simple yet delicious blueberry coffee cake recipe that's sure to impress your family and friends. Whether you're enjoying it for breakfast, dessert, or just as a snack, this cake is the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth. If you liked this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.